Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with yet another dot mandala using calming and vibrant colors. Let me start dotting in the center in turquoise blue. Let me keep some tiny dots in aqua green. I'll keep some dots in golden yellow. Let me do tiny dotting in yellow. I'll keep some dots in aqua green. Let me keep some tiny dots in aqua green. I'll keep some turquoise blue dots. I'll do tiny dotting in turquoise blue. Let me keep some plumpy dots in turquoise blue. I'll make these dots into swipe. Let me keep some plumpy dots in aqua green. I'll make these aqua green dots into swipes. Let me keep some golden yellow dots. Now I'll place Fevicol and then fix mirrors. I'll fix the mirrors now. Let me keep some dots in yellow. I'll work the dots in yellow. Let me keep some brush strokes in aqua green. I'll keep some brush strokes in turquoise blue. Now I'll keep brush strokes in aqua green. Let me keep some brush strokes in yellow. Let me keep some aqua green dots. Let me keep some plumpy dots in aqua green. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some side swipes in aqua green. Let me keep some aqua green dots. I'll keep some tiny dots in yellow. I'll keep some dots in turquoise blue. I'll keep some tiny dots in yellow. I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll keep some dots in yellow. I'll work the dots in aqua green. I'll keep some dots in turquoise blue. I'll work the dots in turquoise blue. I'll keep some dots in aqua green. I'll work the dots in aqua green. Let me put some Fevicol now. I'll fix the mirrors now. I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll work the dots in yellow. Let me keep some brush strokes in aqua green. Let me keep some dots in turquoise blue. In this dot mandala, because of this yellow, the dot mandala is already vibrant, and because of these small mirror pieces, it's so shiny too. Thank you for watching this video.